welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a nail glam with my niece Megan. So she's here to, hang out with us today from San Francisco. Right now I'm in Brentwood and my sisters. And so, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let me introduce you to her. She actually has her own YouTube channel. It's called Sophia Way, which is under her mom's name, but yeah, let me introduce you to her. So here comes Megan! Yay! Megan! So what are we doing today, Megan?
Nails.
Nails? So we're gonna do nails on her, and she brought this set herself. It's called GO GLAM. Have you done this before?
No.
No? She got this as a Christmas gift. Let me see. I've never done this before too, so bear with me, okay?
You should be the pro because you know how to do nails.
How do you know?
Because I see on your video.
You saw it? Okay. Let me see. Well, this one's a little bit different from the one I have, so let's see. Let me see. This one, does it work? Does it have any batteries? How's it gonna try it? Is this? Oh, what? You have to connect it or what?
So you're supposed to put these things over here. So like you don't have to like paint it. You just have to get that to paint it for you.
Okay. Let me see. Megan, what is your channel about? She actually has quite a few followers or subscribers. So if you haven't already, check her out. It's under Sophia Way. And
I have like 500 something.
500 something already? Oh my gosh. That's great. How long have you been doing this for?
I don't know, but mostly my most favorite ones doing it are mostly the spicy noodle ones. The best YouTube channels that I've ever done.
Really? I saw your TikTok one. Your TikTok one had over like 100 something thousand views.
I know, but
that was
mostly
a lot.
I just like I thought that was gonna be like. I thought nobody's gonna like it because I don't like how I did it. I was like,
why not?
I was like, Mom, I don't like it.
Why not?
Cause it looks stupid.
No, it didn't. I thought it was really cute. Okay, let me figure out how to do this.
We can put it on here.
Wait, no.
No.
Oh yeah, this is to stand. Which one do you want first? Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I know.
It's a dog. Look, let's show them first. So this is a dog design. I don't know if you guys can see, but
here's some stars.
Can they see it, you think?
I think. Yeah. I think.
That's how you put it, but let's put this together first.
This is kind of cute. Like,
yeah. Oh, don't put your finger in there.
Let's try out this one.
I gotta look at the instructions on how to do this.
Here.
Okay, thanks, honey.
Welcome.
Alright, so we're gonna show you up close after I figure out how to put this together. But let's see if we have any batteries. We gotta ask your Auntie Rosanna, to see if she has any batteries because I think this is battery operated, right? I don't know. But let me figure out how to put this together first. The instructions right here. I'm so silly. Okay. So first.
Wait, let me see the box first. Oh, this is the back of it.
Okay. It is. You're right. So we need batteries. What batteries do we need? We need 4 AAAs. You want to ask Auntie Rosanna if she has any?
BRB.
BRB. All right. So we're back. We just had to add some batteries in here. Put some batteries.
Thanks.
All right. So let's put this together.
Yeah.
Wait, am I doing this correctly?
You have to put it over here.
Yeah, you want to do it? Here. Let's put this back in here first.
Yeah.
Okay. And so basically this cartridge go in here, and we chose the dog with hearts on it. We're going to show you in a bit.
But you have to put the acrylic paint.
Yeah, we're going to do that. But let me put this in first. I'm afraid of breaking it though. But let me see if I'm getting this correct. Correctly. So Megan, how many siblings do you have?
I just have one.
You just have one? You want to tell me? Wait. Ooh, we got it in.
They already know.
They already know?
Yeah.
Well, people that haven't seen you before, what would you tell them? All right,
I
guys.
have no idea.
So this is how it looks like. And we are, here, let me help you take that out.
Okay.
So first, what do we do?
Yeah.
Let's read the instructions.
Okay.
First, before you start, it says actual size,
Size. Remove the nail polish and
wash
dry.
and dry your hands.
Shake polish. Choose Go Glam polish color and shake well.
Okay.
Use rubber fingers. Rest
To
the
stamp
stamp
fingers. So where's that rubber thing that you were holding?
Okay, let me go again.
Where'd you put it? Here, let me take the seal off for you. Let's put these aside because we're not using
It's
them
like
yet.
that shape. I don't know. I feel like it sounds like exactly like a whistle. Like a whistle ball. Look.
Oh. Megan, can you tell them how old you are?
I'm 7 years old and I'm going to be 8 in May.
In second grade? Third grade?
Second.
You're in second right now?
Mm.
Okay, so we're gonna be painting her nails with blue nail polish, right? Because that's the one you want. And then we're going to, after that, oh, it's off right
I
now.
know.
And then afterwards, that's when we put the stamp on. Blue? What do you like about blue? Reminds you of
Well,
the ocean?
that's what I was about to say. And I kind of like it because I like the green glitter and the blue glitter. It like makes this turquoise or teal color. I just like those colors.
Yeah. I'm so excited to use the stamp.
Mhm.
Are you?
Mhm. Okay.
Yes, thank you. Okay, give me your other hand. Good job. Here a little bit more. Thank you.
It feels like I want to eat a blueberry right now.
What's your favorite food?
Mostly, I would say like mango and strawberry.
Oh, fruit. What about food?
I like everything.
You like everything? But what's your favorite, like, that you would love to eat if you could every single day?
Like, it would be like, I have 3 kinds.
Okay.
One cream chowder, and
Ooh.
and there's like this.
Clam chowder or clam chowder? Clam chowder, you mean? I like clam chowder.
Actually, clam chowder.
And what?
And I also like this like kind of pasta, but it's in this like chicken place, but now they just sell like chicken there.
Yeah.
It used to be like they just used to like sell fried chicken, but they just sell normal chicken and ribs and stuff.
Ooh.
And there's really good pasta there.
Really?
Mhm.
What's your
And
favorite pasta?
Like it's
Spaghetti?
like there's like
Lasagna?
this spaghetti thingy.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes really yummy.
What does it taste like?
Mm,
Tomatoey? Do you like tomato sauce?
not really.
No.
Just like it on pizza.
And
And
your
last
spaghetti.
and my last favorite one is baked potato.
Ooh.
Because we just ate it at first.
Mm-hmm. Where'd you guys go at first?
Wendy's.
Ooh. What did you get there besides the baked potato?
We got some 2 frostings.
Mm-hmm.
One of them was my sister's and one of them was mine. And we got some chicken nuggets, French fries,
Yum.
and I forgot the other ones. Oh, just 2 baked potatoes.
your hair? Who did your hair today?
Mom.
My mom did?
Mhm.
You know, she used to do my hair all the time when I was younger.
Really?
Yeah, I can ask her. She always helped me
Like
do a
tie
French
it?
braid like that.
Well, mostly she does it, but it hurts a lot.
Oh yeah?
Did that happen the same to you?
So next we are going to see if we can put the designs on her nails. Okay, let's try it. There you go. Is it done?
Okay, I think. Oh, this is. You just have to like wait for a little bit. That's all.
Let's see, hold on. Let me see, show them. Ooh. Okay.
Wait, I'll just continue doing that because there's like a little bit.
Okay, let's remove the cartridge.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put the cheetah in. Let me do it because your nails. I don't want you to mess them up. Whoops. Okay.
Okay. One, 2, 3. Let's see. You see my nails?
Yes. That looks nice. I like it. Okay, what's next?
I'll do the other one, this one, and then I'll change it to like that one. The polka dots.
Okay. Your thumb?
1, 2.
3.
It's just like wrapper on my finger.
Does it hurt?
No. Okay, there you go. You just put like a little bit.
Do you want a butterfly?
Sure.
Yeah? Let me show them. How this looks like first. So cool. Here, look.
Okay. Butterfly.
Okay, now we gotta do your other hand.
Okay.
You
Let's
ready?
try this one. 1,
2,
2.
you go.
You could do it on top too.
Let's see it.
Ooh.
Ooh, I like it. Hold on, let's see. Let's show them first.
Like so pretty. Okay.
Okay, next.
I just ate this. Next, I want to try
Stars? You
Yeah.
haven't done that yet. So
We haven't tried stars.
Stars. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Set. Your finger in place.
Yeah. This doesn't hurt. I did a challenge in the supermarket because I was so bored. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
It might look like dots, but it's actually stars.
Alright, so after that we are going to put a top coat over it so it won't come off as easily. Oh, I guess Meagan got it. Do you need help, honey? Or you good?
No, I'm good.
She's good, everyone. This is a 2-in-1 machine.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. That looks so cool, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.